Want to make a Venn diagram the super easy way? Here's how you can do it in just a few clicks. Start by opening your browser and typing Canva Venn diagram into the search bar. Click on the first link. Then head over to the Designs section and search Venn diagram. You'll see a bunch of customizable templates. Pick the one that fits your needs and start editing right away. Looking for even more styles? Just go back to the search page and click the second link. There, you'll find a wider variety of Venn diagram options ready to use. And just like that, you're done, simple, clean, and fast. If that made your life easier, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials and helpful design tips.